I'm Jerry Smith. I live in Indiana. I found out about LeafFilter. We was at the state fair and seen the booth, and we went and talked to them, and they had them call me, set up an appointment to call me, and we got a call within a couple of days after we got back from the fair, and I think it was next Monday, and they set up a time to come out and give me a price and stuff, and the price was real reasonable and stuff. So we didn't set on it right then because I was needing to get the money saved up, but a couple weeks later we went ahead and had the LeafFilter come out and installed it, and it was a beautiful job. They cleaned up after itself. We went with the 6-inch gutters and downspouts, and it was they did a wonderful job of cleaning up and getting and it works good. We haven't had any leaks or anything, and it's a lot better than the old system we had on it. So I appreciate it. Thank you.